Hey everybody, today we're going to go change the oil on my 2008 Dodge Ram. So here's all the stuff that we're going to need. Ah, shoot. Gotta clean off my wrench because I got oil on it. This should always be cleaned off when changing your oil just to make sure that the surface is clean and it can seal better. We're going to torque this to 25 foot-pounds with the torque wrench. This is removing our oil filter. The oil filter is a very important part of the oil system to make sure we don't get a bunch of stuff in our engine that doesn't need to be there. We're going to coat the rubber ring or seal with old oil to make sure it seals up really good. I usually put oil in these oil filters to make sure it's not dry when you start up the vehicle. This has just got to be hand tight. No tools are going to be needed to tighten this thing down. Hand tight works fine. I would really recommend using a funnel so you don't get oil on things it's not supposed to be on, like for such as electrical components. This truck takes 7 quarts of oil exactly. Washing your hands is very important during an oil change because oil will stain fabrics and stuff like that very easily, and it's usually hard to get out. Now all we gotta do is start the truck up. As usual, she runs like a clock. Thanks for watching.